What is good? Morning to the coziest, let's go. I just got here to the post office. It's a little after 8. I'm trying to get here like right before they open, just so I'm the first one, because your boys gotta get to the thrift ASAP right after. So here at UPS, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages to ship off. So getting that work in, let's go. Found this vintage Support Our Troops tee from 1990. Desert Storm, pretty fire shirt. Right here I found a Chicago Bulls Horace Grant jersey, size 36. They're asking for 12. I'm gonna pick this up for sure. Just came across this starter, Detroit Pistons, huge patches on the arms. The back is a little more simple, but I kind of like it. That little NBA logo in the back, it's kind of tight. Probably gonna pick this up too. What up, man?
Hey, how's it going, man?
What'd you find?
KAWS jersey.
Champion.
Yeah.
Fire.
Got this Guess.
Oh, that's tight. It's a vintage Guess. Little pullover. Winnie the Pooh. It's got the huge patch in the back. Oh yeah. That's tight.
Clean, boy.
Oh, shout out your IG.
Chief Iser 26. That's me right there.
For sure. Nice to meet you, bro. Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you too.
Just came across this Phoenix Sun starter with a huge spell out on the arm. They're taxing. They're asking for 20, and it doesn't even have like a big patch on the back. So I'm probably gonna leave this. Yo, I just found a grailer of mine that I have been looking for. Chalkline Official, size XL. Perfect, because this is my size. Charlotte Hornets. Oh my god. Look at the back. Dude, this is so fire. Oh my god. When it's Friday and you get to throw the beanie on and wear some sweats, let's go. Cause at my barber school, not allowed to wear joggers, so your boy has to wear jeans every day. What are jeans? We stay cozy. Me and the boo-boo are here at the Donut Man. If y'all don't know, we're gonna show y'all fire. Yo, let's go. When the donut shop is right next to a gym, nice. Let's go, boy. Get that open, girl. Ooh.
Wait, where's my
with
blueberry?
the bad lighting? What?
Oh, you gotta mix it yourself?
What do you mean mix it yourself?
Wait, where's my chocolate?
Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. Today is Saturday, starting off the morning with a house call in the hometown. And then I actually have a barber school event to get to in LA. So, should be a good day. And then I'm linking up with the boo-boo. Don't know what we're gonna do today, but we'll see. Let's go cut some hair. Yo, what's good, guys? So I just got to the barber event, but sadly, I'm not allowed to film there. For some reason, on the flyer, it says you cannot take pictures of the children at this event, no exception to the rule. So I'm not gonna be able to bring my camera, but I'll pick up with you guys after the event is done, and then I'm gonna link up with the boo-boo, and then we're gonna go on a little adventure. I don't know where we're gonna go, but peace! Yeah! What up, guys? Might have some eye drop solution on my face. What up, boo? With the boo-boo, we're here at the mall right now. The boo-boo wants to look at some eyeglasses, some new eyewear, and then we're actually gonna eat, because we hungry. Let's go.
Your boy was so hungry that I forgot to record the meal. But we're at Charlie Subs, and I got a second one. Let's go.
So a lot of the homies actually told me that Uniqlo has a lot of tracksuits for the low. And I didn't know there was a Uniqlo in this mall. So we're gonna check it out. So they actually have the KAWS peanuts in here. These are kind of fire. It's like 20 bucks. I don't know if I would actually want that though. Okay, Virginia, going to Gins. Eyeglasses time. You gonna go with the one I chose, dude? Hey man, I'm talking to you. Sup, girl? Ooh. Getting with the cozies? Okay. Oh, scarf. Dang, that full suit? It's got the ribbing right here on the arm, and then it actually matches right here. Very clean. Polo Sport? Calvin Klein? Okay, boo boo. Yeah. Your boy is excited. The boo-boo said, hey, I need to stop at Target. I said, okay, but you gotta buy me something. And she said, all right, you could buy anything under $5. So let's see what steals we can find. Let's go. All right, so I was hoping they had a black beanie, so I'm gonna see how much this is. Ow! Let's see how much this beanie is. Just a plain black beanie, if I could just get it open. Stop being so aggressive. Let's go, $4.99. Nice. Your boy got a basic black beanie.
Next challenge, find something in 5 minutes.
Just something?
Yeah. You have 5 minutes to find something for $5 that you want. Go. Run, 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 run!
And I found it in 5 minutes. New beanie, yellow. All right, we got 2 right here. Here's the first one. Let me put the volume up. Here's the next one.
Yo, follow me on Instagram at Ep.6. Amen to fashion. Let's go. Yo, follow me on...
Another one.
Let's go. Let's go.
Alright, here's another one.
Go. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
Here's another one. Oh.
Let's go.
Oh.
Let's go.
Okay, one more time.
Let's go.
Oh my god, dude. Got one more from the homie. At the gas station. Let's go. Yeah. Good morning. It is the next day. Obviously, I got the smock on, so you know what time it is. It's time to cut hair. I have 2 house calls right now. They're at the same place, but 1 house call. So let's start the morning off with some haircuts. Come on. Let's go, boy. You know what time it is when you got that Gucci Tommy and the Beat boots. Just because I don't want to wear clean shoes that'll get a lot of hair on it. Let's go. Yo, I am hyped. I just got paid $130 to cut those 2 heads. Let's go! Your boy on low, we need to get that gas. All right, well, we're here at the gas station. I'm gonna get some of these Let's Go's. Let's go. Let's go. Hey.
First part of the year, designer sweatpants.
Ooh.
Let's go. First part of the year, designer sweatpants. Let's go.
Jeez, still going. Don't tell me we're about to hit 60 bucks on this full tank. Better not. Just got here to a little Vietnamese sandwich place. About to pick up some lunch for me and the boo-boo. Let's get some boo-boo. All right, while we wait for food, I'm gonna get a couple more of these in. What's good, guys? So I just got back home from cutting hair and picking up lunch for me and the boo-boo. But I just came home and now I'm gonna show you guys the items that I picked up in this video. So the first one right here is this very fire. I don't really see this. This is a Horace Grant jersey, a champion one, size 36, that's why it's so small. We see it in the back right there, number 54. This is gonna be for sale, so hit me up on IG if you're interested. Lastly, or just second, this is the only other piece. But I only picked up 2 items in this trip to the thrift. But this one's actually going to be a personal. I'm sorry, but this is not going to be for sale at all. This is a grail for me. This is definitely staying in the personal, but it is a vintage chalk line size XL. Perfect size for your boy. But it's got the huge screen print right there, Charlotte Hornets, and then on the back is ridiculous. That Charlotte Hornets logo is just so fire. It says right there, Charlotte Hornets, got the big B right there. Then it's got the court with the fire basketball because he's on fire. But yeah, this is definitely staying in the personal. If you are interested in the jersey though, just hit me up because that one is for sale. But yeah, so that's gonna wrap up this video. It was 3 days, I think. 3 days into one video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and you already know the slogan. So let's wrap it up. To the coziest, amen to fashion. What's good?